Hey everyone! Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll be diving into the delightful world of crochet to create a charming mini heart. Let's jump right in. First up, we're going to start with the magic ring. This nifty technique is the foundation of our heart. Next, grab your hook, because it's time to bring this heart to life. We'll begin by chaining 3 to give our heart its first beat. Now, let's add volume with 2 treble crochets. Oops, a tiny hiccup here, but no worries, it's all part of the process. Next, we'll create the round part of the heart with 3 double crochets. This is where our heart starts taking shape. Adding a single treble crochet. Watch as our heart grows. Yarn decided to play a trick on me, but we got this. Another set of 3 double crochets to mirror the other side. Yarn's getting cheeky again, but we're pushing through. Two more treble crochets to finish off the heart's shape. Just a bit of a struggle here, but nothing stops us. Chain 3 to complete the heart's outline. A slip stitch to join everything together neatly. Pull the yarn through to secure our lovely creation. Time to cut the yarn, making our heart ready to charm the world. We'll now hide the yarn ends to keep everything looking neat. A little adjustment here to perfect our heart. Snip any extra yarn off. And there you have it, a beautiful mini heart crochet made by you. Thank you so much for joining me today. See you in the next tutorial.